Hello buddies, I know you've been wondering where to start because you want to make a soft, sweet, moist, fluffy and easy cake, but you don't know where to start. Now in this video I'll be showing you the simplest way to make a cake as a beginner. So enjoy this butter cake recipe for beginners. Now to make cake you need the same quantities of egg, butter, sugar and flour. In this video each of these weighed 160 grams. Okay, 160 grams of egg, 160 grams of butter or margarine, 160 grams of flour and 160 grams of sugar. You also need your flavoring and your baking powder. Now once you have all this set, you're going to remove the egg yolk from the egg white, transfer the egg yolk into the butter. Ensure that the egg you're going to use is okay, is good. It's not the ones that once you open them, the yolks are going to scatter. Now to the egg and the butter, you're going to be adding your sugar and set that aside. Now you transfer your egg white into a bowl, any bowl of your choice. Make sure that this bowl there's no water in it and there's no oil or anything that is greasy in it, and also your hand whisk, there's no water or grease. Now you're going to start to whisk this egg white. You whisk it for some time till it becomes stiff thick. So note that you're not going to be adding anything to the egg white at this point. So you're going to whisk till it becomes stiff just this way. Now at this point you're going to be adding just 1 spoon of the sugar into the egg white. Okay, now once you add this 1 spoon of the sugar into the egg white, you're going to whisk again for the last time, and at this point your egg white is ready. You can see that by the time you turn this bowl upside down, the egg white is not going to go off from the bowl. Now you're going to set that aside. Take the butter, the egg yolk and the sugar and start whisking just this way. If you have an electric mixer you can use it, but if you don't have, you can use your hand whisk. And if you don't have a hand whisk, you can just transfer this into a big stainless bowl and use your pestle, the one you use for the mortar and for grinding. Now once you have whisked your butter to this extent, it becomes light, fluffy and creamy. You add in your flavor. You can use milk or vanilla or any flavor of choice. After that, you're going to go in with your flour in 2 to 3 batches. Okay, so once you add your flour, gradually combine the flour into the butter cream. Okay, now you're going to mix, and then once it combines this way, you mix a little more till it becomes kind of smooth. Okay, now if you are using an electric mixer, it's going to be softer than this. Okay, next transfer this butter mixture or this your cake batter you just made, transfer it into the egg white. Okay, so once you transfer it into the egg white, you're going to combine it or fold it in just as you see in the video. Okay, make sure you don't overfold or over mix. Okay, ensure you do everything gradually. From one side you go to the center, from one end you go to the center, just as you see in the video. Okay, so you're going to just gradually combine this until everything is thoroughly combined. Before I go ahead, I want to use the opportunity to say thank you to all my amazing followers. I'm super grateful for all you guys have been doing for me, sharing my videos, engaging my videos, dropping your comments. I am so grateful. Thanks and remain blessed. So once you are done folding your butter into your egg white, you add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. After mixing in your baking powder, transfer this butter into your greased baking pan. I use 6 inches and 4 inches baking pan. To the 6 inches I added 400 grams of butter. To the 4 inches I added 200 grams of butter. Ensure to tap this on your work surface to ease out air and flatten the batter. Then you bake in your preheated oven at 150 degrees for 70 minutes, or till you see that the cake is coming off a little bit from the side of the bowl. Then you're going to take it out from the bowl. You have this amazing, sweet, delicious, fluffy, soft, moist cake. Oh my goodness. I know you're going to try this recipe, guys. And when you do, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you, because this is going to be the best sweetest cake ever you will ever try. So see you guys in my next video. Until then, please don't forget to try out this butter cake recipe and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you, because I know it's going to turn out the best. Till then, bye.